I know we all miss Lola so much. This time that we are sad, mourning, but I also at the same time think that this is the perfect time for us to just cherish, all of the memories that she left us with. Also internalize all of the values that she taught us, as well as just rejoice, that she's finally home. She's finally in God's presence. Ayan. So, let me just share to you some of my memories with Lola. Back when I was a kid, when I was really small, what she would always tell me, what she would never ever stop reminding me, she always keep nagging me about this. Sasabihin niya, I see, kailangan lagi mo inuubos yung pagkain sa plato mo. In English, it means you should always finish your food. You can't leave any food on the plate. Can't leave the table unless you're done eating. So apparently I was able to learn that lesson. So look at me now. Yeah, 180 pounds later, still doing that well. But yeah, ironically, the very last thing she ever told me back in summer, when we visited in the States, on the airport, on our before we went to the airport. I mean, we were packing, we were loading the bags into the car before we go into the airport. Um, what Lola would tell me, I see. This is the last thing she ever told me. Sabi niya, I see. Alam mo, hindi bagay sa'yo yung mataba. Yeah, that's it. This is the last. Before, after all the goodbyes and all, that's the last line she ever told me. So, I was like, yeah, thanks, Lola. Ayun. But apparently, yeah, it was something I thought funny back then, but now I'm feeling guilty about. Probably should do something about it. Like, seriously. um, so there. But on a more serious note, what I'd always remember kay Lola is how when I was again when I was small, she asked me, um, do you know where you'll go after when you die? Sabi niya sa akin, pag namatay ka ba, alam mo kung saan ka pupunta? Are you gonna go to heaven? Or are you gonna go to hell? And back then, I had no idea. I wasn't sure. Sabi ko, I have no idea. I mean, I was taught I might go to heaven, but I'm not sure. Yun. But the thing Lola taught me was that I should always be 100% sure na parang when you die, when you accept Jesus Christ in your heart and all, you should be sure in your faith that Jesus will save you, and he will redeem you, and he'll bring you to heaven. Ayun. So that's something I really learned very early on because of Lola, and I'd always have to thank Lola for that. Ayun. So again, we all miss you, Lola Tess. I love you so much, and see you soon. Bye.